Welcome, Natalie.
Well, hey,
Make
Natalie.
sure that you hover over the top and follow us. We're freezing. We're having some internet problems today, so we're going to cut this a little short, but we are going to go ahead and spin that prize wheel one more time. Jamie's doing interpretive dance.
I'm doing translator for you.
If we're freezing, I wish you could see it.
Oh, yeah, if we weren't freezing over the city. This is more of a visual joke. It doesn't work if we're frozen.
Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and spin the wheel again.
Well, let's ask them. Let's get a couple of more opportunities for them to get on the prize wheel. Let's ask them a couple of quizzes or questions.
Okay, quickly, because I'm scared we're going to just cut out.
Oh, okay, yeah, we're going to cut out. So let's spin the wheel.
Let's spin the wheel.
I got, sorry, folks, I got overruled by the boss.
You got overruled by the internet.
I got overruled by the logic.
The lack of internet. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Psalm says spin it.
All right, then. Full screen.
Here we go.
Woo! Hup, hup, boom, boom, yip, boom, 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 boom. Whoop, whoop. Thank you, Natalie. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, you. No way!
Oh my gosh, no way! JC Mom of 3 won again today.
Are you still here? Or are you already off gloating about winning already?
Oh my gosh, JC Mom of 3.
3.
Let us know that you're here. Congratulations. I guess we could always post it in the chat right away.
Boop, 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 boop. What do you mean? Post what in the chat?
Like we could always post the name in the chat right away.
Well, go ahead.
JC
Mama 3, let us know you're here.
Of 3.
Oh, she's here! She's here!
Congrats.
She's a happy puppy.
All right, let's go. Let's spin.
Let's see what you win.
Let's see what you win.
Woo!
Show us how it's done.
Bow.
Show us what you're working with. Come on, Jamie. Work it out. Work it out.
My legs are working the same way as my hands right now.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, baby. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Oh my gosh, you won the desk lamp.
Oh!
Oh, you won the desk
Oh,
lamp.
that's awesome!
Oh my gosh.
It's such a good prize.
I do have a code for that lamp, by the way.
And I do have one somewhere. I was hoping that we'd forget that it's up there and then it would be attached to my table when I get my table. If I'm completely honest with you.
There's the desk lamp. There's the desk lamp. It's basic lamp if you want to get a hold of. This is the lamp that you just won.
You just won.
Congratulations.
Oh, yeah. This one's really good.
Yeah, do you want it? Holy cow, that's awesome. Yeah, it's a really nice one. Jamie's got it right here. He's going to show you.